Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Growing Guitar. We have a cool group, almost Monday, and it actually is, I believe it's Sunday today. Woo, yeah, this week went very fast. Now, almost Monday, no more regrets. That's the title of the song. And yes, we're gonna learn this cool song with a capo high up on the 6th fret to match up with the sound, easiest chords possible. That's the reason for it. And I want to mention my secondary YouTube channel. You heard it before, I hope so. Growing Guitar, 6 strings ago. Link up here somewhere. Go and check out that one. Why? Because you're gonna learn a full song with a full playthrough from the beginning till the very end, all chords shown on the screen. Just follow along and play. Now let's focus on no regrets. Okay, so what you're gonna play here is 4 chords. We're gonna go through them right now. A lot of 7 chords. So this first one is E minor 7. Very easy. You're gonna use all strings open except from that 2nd fret A string. Okay, otherwise all strings open. That's E minor 7. Next one is the A minor 7. And that goes open A, 2nd D, open G, 1st B, and open E. Next is the C major 7. Very easy transition there as well. You're just gonna add on that 3rd fret A string. And that goes 3rd A, 2nd D, and then open G, open B, and open E. And finally we have the B minor 7. Of course, it's a bar chord in the end there. So you have a bar on the 2nd fret, 5 strings from bottom up. That's what you need to push down. And then you need to add 4th D and 3rd B. So that will be the chord progression through the entire song. E minor to A minor, C major to B minor. All right, now what about the strumming? We have a 2-part strumming here. So we're going to look into the transition from E minor to A minor, and that first part is played for E minor. It goes down, up, down. So down, and then some delay to that, and then up, down. So down, up, down. And then you switch chord to A minor and play down, 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 up. So down, a short pause, and then down, down, up. Down, 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 up. And then you translate that into the next couple of chords. So C major is played in the exact same way as E minor. So down, up, down on the C major. And then you go to the B minor 7 and play that in the same way as A minor. Down, 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 up. So slowly, one round goes like this. And you just continue to do that a little bit faster. It sounds like this. And that's it, my friends. Cool song from Almost Monday. No more regrets. Just look forward. That's about it, guys. Thank you for watching. Thank you for supporting me in both these channels. I really appreciate your support, and I need that as well, just to get the motivation going on to give you great songs. So hit the like on this tutorial and subscribe and this as well. But yeah, very grateful if you can go to that Growing Guitar 6 strings ago channel and help me out there, guys. Thank you so much.